Oh, hi guys. This is McGregor, JKA CryptoSpace Traders. I want to share with you my market view, how I see the market right now in a macro vision. So, in my opinion, all right, based on Elliott waves and market structure, I am still leaning more towards that we are still making corrective move towards this whole move up, right? We're taking corrective time to this impulse wave, okay, which can be complete, but not necessarily we can make even fourth now and then finish fifth. But this is just predicting, which we don't want to do. Okay, so let's stay with what we see right now. Okay, in my opinion, what we do is A, B, and C. This is what we're gonna do. Okay, and we can finish here, we can finish higher. It doesn't matter. Really, doesn't matter. I will show you. I will show you how I see on the lower time frame right now. So on the lower time frame, what we have now is can be okay. This can be, but not necessarily have to be WXY. Okay, this zigzag here can be W. Now we are doing X, which can be really anywhere. It can go much higher. It's not really important because it can go really high. So basically, I expect that people are shorting this. Okay, people are shorting this area, and therefore we can have a short squeeze, obviously, right? So what's going on when we have short squeeze? Well, price is going up, obviously. So the range of the move to the upside. I was speaking to Cryptomania again and Adrian about it, and I expect the price to move towards 51, 53, eventually to 56k, okay, to 56k as a strong supply demand area, and then finish X wave and move to the downside. But this is just one scenario, okay, which we can see right now. Price is going 50.5k on Coinbase chart, which can confirm probably that we are doing X wave. Why? Well, this comes from the structure, from the market structure. I showed before, and I keep repeating one thing. Okay, if something starts with three wave, it must end as a corrective move, and what we have here is ABC. Okay, ABC to the upside. Okay, so we are still correcting. As how high we can go, who knows? We can move higher. What we can do, even potentially, I will show you when I move it a bit, zoom out. What we can do, possibly, is even crazier, right? Because if this is A wave, we can go with B wave as a zigzag, and we can have it finished here. Now we're doing corrective move, and we can do zigzag 1-to-1 to the upside. So as you can see, Elliott waves are not that fucking good tool. Sorry for swearing, but that's really crazy. So as you can see, where is 1-to-1 with the zigzag would be double top. Voila. Possibility, just one of many scenarios. But as I said before, I am leaning more towards X wave. That we are doing X wave, and we will continue corrective to the downside, right? So in my opinion, we can make it larger corrective move, even if X will be higher. Sorry, I have to use WXY here. It doesn't really important. It's just a name. WXY, ABC is all three wave moves, so it's just it comes from Elliott wave rules, right? So X can be anywhere, anywhere really. Let's say it's going to the supply demand zone, and then we will move back to 40, 44 maybe. Let's say where it should go. Remember that in a matter of time analysis, 20th is really important. 20th September would be important date, and 20th of October as well. These two dates are important, and we will see what's going on, what will be going on in there. So depends where we stop now. We're gonna have the 1-to-1 ratio, right? But first we have to stop. There's nothing we can see right now because we didn't stop yet. We have to wait for the bearish market structure, and it's still not happening right now. What I would expect from the larger perspective would be, it doesn't have to end this way, by the way. We can make these moves, this pattern, and before either up or down, who knows? we don't have crystal ball, so we have to trade what we see right now. This is daily, right? This is daily. So let's move to the 4-hour chart. Do we have something here? Well, we have actually. We have somewhat here, which tells me that we can actually expect sudden drops to the downside. Why? Guess why? Why we should expect? As you know, I am a market structure trader. Okay, so I am comparing usually some structure from the past, from the same situation. So when we have been somewhere around the tops, right? So we moved and moved and moved, and we moved towards the somewhere close to the tops of previous highs, right? The price is not that important as a structure trader. I am looking at traders' behaviors, right? How they behave at certain point on the chart. So we are moving to the tops, and traders have the habits of trading, so they behave similar way. That's why we can use fractals. Maybe not fractals, because fractal is exact pattern which occurs on the chart. We don't want that. Okay, we don't want that. I was watching many previous structures. As you can see, we have 618 to 0.65 here. What we have here was similar. I was expecting similar behavior here, but we didn't have that. We didn't got this. But it's not really that much important. It still can happen. Why? Because the structure is not only the same behavior, same levels. It's usually either tighter or extended moves inside that structure. I'm not going to explain too much right now because that's not the point. That's not the point. What I wanted to share, I just forgot. I'm talking too much, so forgive, please. I am expecting right now, based on a 4-hour chart, I am expecting that we are going to wait for larger divergence to retrace the price. Okay, but it doesn't have to happen, obviously. It doesn't have to happen. Pay attention for what's going on here. So, but this is potential. This is potential divergence, and we are waiting. And you have similar situation in here. If you want to take a look at what's going on, um, usually divergence played out. You have similar situation also in many different places. It doesn't matter. I am looking at this divergence to play out. It doesn't have to. When the RSI will move higher, this divergence is invalidated. Okay, it doesn't matter. You have to consider every single thing you see on the chart and use every single tools you have on the chart. Okay, so what do you see? It's not only the lines and I don't know, some shapes, the butterflies or something, I don't know. The main rule is market moves up. Market moves long-term impulsive wave with 5 waves and corrective moves with 3 waves. So yeah, I'm expecting a lot to the downside. What's on the 1 hour chart? What's on the 1 hour chart? The 1 hour chart is not that clear as well. We can consider that we are doing impulse wave and this whole sideways move, box as I'm calling this, was 4th wave. Okay, so if we move inside, this will be confirmation for me that we will do a larger corrective moves, and this is not the end. Okay, for now I am expecting, as I said before, move to the downside on the daily chart, and therefore waiting for what happens. We can expect also short squeeze, which, as I said before, will give us X wave. As I said, X can go higher, and then when it will be finished, we will look for shorts. Okay, or when we see some signs of weakness here, we will join shorts as well. Okay, you can take a look in a lower time frames. What you can do, you can draw channels. I will make separate video about channeling, because channeling is also a part of a wave. Okay, people are doing channels based on price they see. Okay, based on wicks, based on bodies, doesn't matter. There is a science behind that, and I will teach you how to draw the channels. So yeah, that's it. I am expecting a larger corrective waves to the downside, or from now or from X wave, as I showed. If we move above, damn, I don't like really. If we move further up, we can expect short squeeze. Okay, it's quite close. It's quite close. We can expect that if price will go up, shorts will be liquidated, stops will be touched, and we will probably not moving to the downside, but we will move to the upside, probably with a fast way. Okay. So I don't I don't know if I explained anything, because there's a lot of possibilities. At the moment, I'm expecting move to the downside, with possibility if we move further up, short squeeze. Okay, that's simple, and basically long term X wave, higher or lower. It doesn't have to go there, and it can finish here. And if this will finish here, we will move for the downside. That's Elliott waves. That's market structure. So yeah. That's it from me. Okay, that's it from me. I will update you guys more often right now because we all agree. I mean, me, Cryptomaniac, and Adrian, we agree that I should post more videos about what I see and about market structure. I will not going. I am not going to post setups. Okay, we must be clear here. This is not legal. Okay, in my country and in probably in many countries to post any setups to tell people exactly what price will do to predict something to give setups. Okay, we can't really tell you how you should trade, where you should open your trade, where you should put stop losses. We can't do this because we can be prosecuted and we can be punished. So I am not going to do this. Have a nice evening, have a nice trade time, and if you like it, just give me thumbs up and subscribe. And you can also join our Telegram groups or free group or paid group. It's up to you. I'm not pushing anybody. Paid group is only about trading. We're not giving real signals. We're not giving signals. We are sharing our trade setups. Okay, we are sharing our trades. We are showing you what we are trading, where are our money going to. Okay, these are real trades. These are our money. We are showing everything, and everything is so transparent that you can't have anything better than that anywhere. Because usually, what you can have is people giving you signals and they not really putting their money towards it, right? They just giving you signals and making money on you basically because you pay subscription and they making money on it, not on their trades. And we are actually traders. We are trading our money, not yours money. Okay, so thumbs up, subscribe, and join our group on Telegram. Have fun, guys. That's it.